we tell people to write in and tell us who deserves a yay. You were nominated and selected as a winner.
Thank you.
And your nominator is bus driver Doreen Zabinski on bus 21037, who says, Mr. Glenn does a wonderful job managing the bus ramp at Pocahontas each morning and afternoon. As bus drivers, we know we can count on him to address any issue promptly, professionally, and with clear communication. He goes out of his way to support us and make us feel like part of the school family. The thoughtful goodie bags he provides throughout the year are just one example of the extra effort that he puts into brightening our days. Recently, he handled a behavior issue on my bus in a timely and effective manner, communicating with both me and the zone office to ensure everything was resolved quickly. His dedication, his reliability, and positive attitude make a tremendous difference. Mr. Glenn is truly awesome. Well done.
Oh, man,
and
thank y'all. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you for this nomination. Thank you for this award. I'm just thankful and grateful to be working with in an environment that just allows me to do what I do best, and that's just serving people. And I'm just thankful to just be recognized and affirmed for the work that I do. And I hope that this is just a representation of not only I, but what we all do here as Henrico County staff for the betterment of our students, most importantly. So thank you for the award.